Welcome to our latest video on the potential of virtual reality, VR, in improving accessibility for people with disabilities. VR technology has the potential to revolutionize accessibility by providing new and innovative ways for people with disabilities to interact with the world around them. In this video, we'll explore the ways in which VR is being used to improve accessibility, and we'll discuss some of the exciting developments that we can expect in the future. First, let's start by defining what we mean by VR inaccessibility. VR in this context involves using VR technology to create virtual experiences that enable people with disabilities to interact with the world in new and innovative ways. These virtual experiences can range from simple simulations of real-world environments to fully immersive and interactive virtual worlds. One of the most significant benefits of VR inaccessibility is the ability to create more inclusive experiences. With VR, people with disabilities can access virtual environments that are designed specifically for their needs, whether that's through the use of adaptive technologies or by creating virtual experiences that are more accessible than their real-world counterparts. Another benefit of VR inaccessibility is the potential for improved training and rehabilitation. With VR, people with disabilities can participate in virtual training sessions and rehabilitation programs that provide a more engaging and immersive experience than traditional methods. This can help to improve outcomes and enable people with disabilities to achieve their goals more effectively. In addition to enhancing accessibility for people with disabilities, VR can also be used to improve awareness and understanding of disabilities among non-disabled individuals. By providing immersive and interactive experiences that simulate disabilities, VR can help to foster empathy and understanding, and promote more inclusive attitudes and behaviors. Of course, there are also challenges and concerns associated with the use of VR inaccessibility. One of the most significant challenges is ensuring that the VR experiences are designed in a way that is accessible and inclusive for all individuals, regardless of their disabilities. It's important to ensure that the VR experiences are designed with input from people with disabilities and that they are tested rigorously to ensure accessibility. Another concern is the potential for over-reliance on VR, which could detract from the importance of real-world accessibility and accommodations. It's important to strike a balance between using VR to enhance accessibility and promoting real-world accommodations and accessibility. Despite these challenges, the use of VR inaccessibility has enormous potential for improving the lives of people with disabilities. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative and accessible uses of VR in this context. In conclusion, VR is transforming the way we think about accessibility, providing new and innovative ways for people with disabilities to interact with the world around them. By creating more inclusive experiences, improving training and rehabilitation, and promoting empathy and understanding, VR has the potential to create a more accessible and inclusive world for all individuals. We hope you've enjoyed this video on the potential of VR in improving accessibility for people with disabilities. If you want to stay up to date on the latest developments in VR and accessibility, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.